Welcome back to BTR Hype News number 3. My hair is whacked out, that's all my hat's on. But enjoy my hype news this week, every Wednesday. Check it out, Supreme drop and other great items. Okay, let's crack into some of the news this week. I do have a little bit of an extensive list, but a lot of it is about me, so don't think I'm talking too much about myself. We're still gonna do Supreme and a bunch of that great stuff. So without any hesitation, let's get right into it. So I know one thing about this week's Supreme drop, actually two things. First one is that it is this Thursday, and everyone knows that, at about 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but there is one item that I do know is dropping, and it's right here. Supreme times Undercover times Public Enemy dropping this Thursday as of Supreme Leaks News. You guys know where I hook it up and where I check all this stuff out. Yeah, that's the one item this week that I know it's dropping, along with probably some hats, some weird shorts like they always do, or some weird pants. They always have those weird items, but there's nothing else really big and iconic per se that's dropping that I saw on Supreme Leaks News. But let's do an overview of last week's Supreme drop. So we'll hit new. They did have some stuff last week I did really like. The reflective taping hooded pullover, it was pretty dope in a lot of the colors. There were some good items last week. I like the color blocked work shirt too. They had the NBA jackets. I was a fan, but I wasn't that crazy of a fan. I like the sweatshirts they dropped. They had two iconic accessories that I did talk about in the video last week. It was the Supreme water bottle, as you guys will see on the screen, and the Supreme pen, which those were two good items that sold out very quickly in Europe and in the US. If you have a Twitter account and you do give any caring about Fortnite at all, and you follow one single Fortnite account maybe, which I know a lot of guys do out there because there are a lot of followers on those Fortnite accounts, Fortnite is coming to mobile. And everyone's excited. So we might have some Fortnite mobile play, because I've never been one to stream my TV, but I can include clips here and there of us saucing it up on Fortnite mobile in a video or something like that with a little screen record. If you guys are not aware, spring break is almost over, and as me being a junior in high school, I feel the need to stock up on my food supplies, for college, because we're all gonna be broke.
Really, nigga?
So I was going wild the other day in Dollar Tree. Alright, graduating soon, not that soon, but I need to freaking stock up on college meals, man. I need to get my college meals in. Alright, gotta get at least one more. Alright, we out. Just kidding, y'all. Check out my Instagram videos, because I do make some hilarious videos on my Instagram at BradCherry29. Unfortunately, I do not run BTR Customs anymore. Not that anyone else runs it at all. It's just non-ran. I don't have the account. I lost it. I'm working on it, but it's a process. But yeah, check out my videos on Instagram. The link should be down below. I might replace that BTR Customs link. I should have a long time ago, since I haven't been on there. But watch last night's video on YouTube. Tucker and I ate a military MRE and told you guys what we thought about it. So you should go check it out and see what's in these Department of Defense, United States of America military meals that they're shipping to our soldiers. We were eating like soldiers last night, man. So I want you guys to go check it out. They were decent, actually, and that's all I want to tell you, because I want you to click the top right hand corner of the screen right now and go watch that video after you finish this one. Maybe put it in your queue and check it out. That's all I have for you. Please drop a like down below on this video. Smash that like button. Comment your favorite video all time on BTR Customs that you've ever seen, whether it's this video or a video 200 videos ago. Comment your favorite video and subscribe if you are new to this very channel to see more of my amazing content each and every night, 5 days a week. But yeah, thank you so much for watching once again. Hope you guys learned something, and tune in next Wednesday for another episode of BTR Hype News.